Hai Assalamualaikum Gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so hari ni I excited gila nak tunjuk dekat korang macam mana I buat tutorial untuk this Bollywood glam makeup look. Bukan untuk wedding tapi lebih kepada kalau korang guess macam tu. So it's a little bit artsy, dia bukan natural lah kan. So if you want to know how I do this look, then please keep on watching. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and follow me in other social media as well. Okay, without further ado, let's jump straight into this video. So mula-mula sekali, I akan kemaskan kening I guna Feathers by Amira Ho. This is a brow wax. So I guna disposable spoolie untuk tolak kening I ke atas. And then I fill in all the gaps dekat brows I guna D&M Beauty Brow Pomade in the coat dark brown. Next, untuk conceal all the edges, untuk kemaskan lagi kening tu, I guna Maycheer concealer. This one is in the coat 04. Almost the same as my skin tone. I also use the concealer untuk conceal my under eyes, the side of my nose, lepas tu dekat tepi bibir I. This is to cover up my discoloration. For the foundation, I guna foundation by Khairi. This one is in the coat Aurora. I blend it using Mungil Beauty Sponge. It's a very good soft sponge and sangat sesuai untuk korang yang ada alergi dengan latex. As usual, I akan blend foundation ni about almost 6 to 8 minutes macam tu, sebab bagi I lagi lama kita blend foundation tu lagi nampak natural, but at the same time it gives you that full coverage. Gitu. So korang nampak tak? Nampak flawless gila kan? And then I set all the base guna loose powder by Revlon. This one is translucent 02. Untuk bawah mata, I apply guna beauty sponge sebab I nak lebihkan powder tu. Nanti kita akan guna black eyeshadow. So it's gonna be fallout. Fallout tu nanti senang untuk dibersihkan. Gitu. Alright, for the eyeshadow, I start dengan Ucanbe Spotlight palette. I guna warna beige colour ni. Sort of like cream white untuk letak dekat tulang kening I. Lepas tu, I ambil NYX Neon palette. I guna warna pink ni yang sangat-sangat pigmented. Very, very beautiful. I dah lama dah ada palette ni, tapi I jarang guna sebab I selalu stick dengan Ucanbe palette kan. But this one is seriously, warna pink dia sangat-sangatlah cantik. Lepas tu, I blend the edges so that it looks more soft. Untuk cut crease, I go back to the concealer Maycheer tu tadi. And I guna art brush nombor 4 untuk create the cut crease. Lepas tu, I blend the edges supaya dia nampak soft. Next, I ambil Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette volume 2. I guna warna D1, which is my favorite ocean blue glittery colour. Warna dia sangat cantik. Korang boleh tengok kan warna dia. This is such a beautiful colour. And I apply guna art brush nombor 5. Untuk eyeliner, kali ni I guna gel eyeliner by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This one is in the coat Jet. And I guna art brush nombor 1. The reason I guna gel liner is because nanti I nak apply glitter eyeshadow on top of it. I nak make sure glitter tu melekat. Kalau tak nanti dia bersepah lah kan. Okay, sekarang untuk glitter eyeshadow, I ambil Macaroons Quintet palette. I guna warna Raspberry Sprinkle ni, which is absolutely gorgeous. Pretty. Warna dia macam, ada satu warna daripada Huda Beauty Nude palette. Memang cantik gila. Dia punya glitter dust dia ni memang kasar, memang nampak memantul habis lah. So, I apply guna art brush. I tak tahu kenapa I guna brush ni, but yeah, I guna. And then daripada Ucanbe Spotlight palette tadi, I guna warna hitam untuk apply dekat my lower lashes. Yang ni I guna brow angle brush. I rasa daripada MAC lah, brush ni daripada MAC. Alright. Once that is done, I fill in my waterlines, upper and lower waterlines guna Maybelline Eyeliner. This one is Kohl Kajal Eyeliner in black. Untuk liquid liner, I guna La Maybelline Eyeliner. This one liquid eyeliner ni untuk kat inner corner je sebab dia cepat kering and tak bersepah. Okay, sebelum I apply mascara and lashes, I remove all the excess powder. And then I start ambil contour palette. This one is by O.Two.O Cosmetics for the shading and then for the contour dekat rahang, dekat pipi, dekat hidung. And then I go to O.Two.O palette, blush palette untuk nampakkan pipi I tu lebih glowy and comel gitu. For the highlight, I ambil Diva Vanilla daripada La Macaroons Quintet Palette untuk highlight hidung dan pipi I. Time for the lashes. Okay, go back to the eyes. I curl my lashes and I guna mascara by Mongil untuk apply several coats of mascara on my upper and lower lashes. Lepas tu, I guna bulu mata dari Suhara Sakura. She has her own FB. Nanti I letak dekat dalam description box. Finally, to complete this look, I guna lipstick code Nina daripada House Cosmetics. This is such a beautiful orange brick tone color. And this is a lip matte. Jadi dia tends to be dry. Tapi apa-apa pun sebelum korang apply lipstick, korang kena pakai lip maximizer daripada Mongil sebab dia akan prime your lips and make sure pipi korang tak merekah. Oh my god, lipstick ni sangat cantik, okay? Warna dia sangat cantik. Okay, so I akan pergi tukar baju and pakai aksesori semua and I'll come back. And this is the finished look. Oh my god, I am so happy with how it turns out. I think it looks gorgeous, unique and creative. I suka eyeliner macam ni because it's really defined my eyes. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Follow me in other social media and bye. Assalamualaikum.